Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find out when Santa reaches your location using the NORAD Center tracker on iPhone. Now let's get started. First, open the NORAD Center tracker on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, you will see a world map and Santa's countdown to Christmas Eve. This is where NORAD updates Santa's location in real time. To know when Santa will reach your place, tap on Track Santa. You can either zoom in on a country or city using the map or search for the location. NORAD shows Santa's current location and flight path. While looking at the map, you can see how far Santa is from your country. It updates in real time. You can watch him move closer and closer. If the estimated time on the map or website, some versions of the tracker even show approximate local time when Santa is expected to arrive in your area. And that's it. On Christmas Eve, you can watch Santa travel around the world and see exactly when he's coming to your place. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.